What's up, everybody? It's Eddie with Cooking is Amazing, and I want to welcome you. And I also want to thank you for the amount of subscribers that I've received over the past couple of weeks. Just thank you for your support, for watching our videos, for leaving comments below. You will get an answer to every comment directly from me. Thank y'all, love y'all, appreciate that. So today's video, I've got a potato soup recipe all in the crock pot, a few simple ingredients. You're gonna love it. Alright folks, well I hope you enjoyed how that was made. I hope you will make this for yourself. It's very simple, very easy to make. You can top this off with cheese like I've done in mine. You can add some bacon on top if you'd like. I just prefer a little bit of cheese on mine is all I like to do. And it's nice and simple. As you can see, the cheese is melted down in there. I'll stir it around a little bit. Bring it on in, let y'all see that good. Alright, now we're going to do a little bit of a taste test. Wow, it's super creamy, rich, very delicious, very delicious. Another bite. Wow. Really good. Well folks, thank y'all for watching. Really appreciate y'all stopping by. Give us a like, hit that subscribe button. It's going to be right over here, down in the corner. It's the red one. It says red button on it. Just hit it. That'll subscribe you to our channel. Hit that bell notification. That way you know every time we're putting out new content. As always, thank you. And from my family to yours, love you. God bless.